All right, episode 200 and something. This is a bonus episode. We're just gonna do it. Let's roll like natural and action.
You guys might think that's funny, but this is my life. This is real. It's what I live with. Hi, bowl bakers. Hi, bowl bakers. Hi, bowl bakers. I know I saw you. You were so good. Now go over there. Now, while they're warm out of the oven, I'm going to show you. Oh, Ira, this is good. This is good. I got this. Kevin, am I going red?
No.
Okay. Okay. Number 2, I have Josh and Ange from Baking with Josh and Ange.
Woo! We're the good for Gemma. Oh my god.
I just want to know what you think, because I like them.
Am I on camera?
No.
Are you sure?
Thanks, Tim.
You're well, sorry, 2 seconds. Let's just do a run through,
Yeah.
okay? Bye, Kevin.
All right.
Olivia Crouppen is back with me by popular demand.
Hi guys.
Back by popular demand is the lovely Olivia Crouppen. The lovely Olivia Crouppen is back by popular demand. See how fudgy those are?
Look at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you back here next week for another episode, hopefully with Olivia, who is me, of Guilt Free, for more bigger, bolder baking. I don't think we can really do that.
Okay, this is looking good. Smells delicious. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Tastes delicious. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. These are going to be absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's have a little tasty taste. Oh, yum. Oh, yum. Getting to taste the raw batter. Oh, yum. Check this out. What did I tell you? Oh, shoot. Oh. Oh, man. Okay. It's homemade to you or to this one? Oh. There's no doubt about it. This is one of my favorite pies. Time to joy. This definitely deserves a happy dance. I love this recipe. Oh! That's delicious.
Gotta be.